Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Just finished our welding course. I thought it was really good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
But,
What did you think?
I was a bit nervous at the beginning because it's playing with fire, basically.
Yeah.
I just didn't have any idea of how it would go and what I would think. I do feel like my brains are getting smushed.
We booked a course with Richard at Reforged Blacksmiths near Hinckley, and he was great. He put us both at ease, and he was very hands-on, made us do as much welding as possible, basically explained everything really well. It was perfect for what we needed it for, which is an introduction to welding, but also practically how to just start welding.
I just feel like the dirt is all over me.
So that is a sign, once we start getting dirty on the boat, we probably need to be wearing some proper dirty clothes.
Yeah, not your favorite pair of jeans.
Not my favourite pair of jeans, which are now, as you can see, absolutely caked in whatever was in the blacksmiths. What was your favourite part of the welding experience, would you say? I mean, you were very good at these C and circle welds.
I did not like the stick welding as much.
You were better at the MIG welding, yeah. You've got a real hand for the MIG welding.
For the C shape, yeah.
We learned the difference between stick and MIG welding, tried both. Did actually more MIG welding than stick welding in the end. That was good.
Yeah.
We've learned a lot.
And there were two kitties. Walking around that shed.
3 horses.
And 3 horses, but
great.
the kitties were very fluffy and cute.
Yeah.
And social.
Yeah. So Mariah got her kitty fix as well, so she's a very happy bunny.
Very happy.
How do you feel about doing some welding on the boat now? You ready for it?
Yes. Yeah, I'm ready for it. I think we're gonna make a lot of mistakes.
For shizzle my
we're gonna
nizzle.
have to recover our mistakes.
Yeah.
A lot.
But I mean, that's the nice thing in a way, is that we can now go and have a go.
Yeah.
But, you know, the worst comes to worst, if you mess up a weld, you just grind it all out and redo it until you don't make so many mistakes.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
I'm excited about it. It's going to be
I'm
good.
excited about it too.
Just got to find some welding equipment now.
Yes.
Great stuff.
Yes.
Thanks again to Richard, and we're excited to get on with welding our boat.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.